on how to create a cross tabulation in Excel. A cross tabulation is a tabular summary of two variables. The two variables can be qualitative or quantitative, but the most common ones have a qualitative variable and a quantitative variable. So to create our cross tabulation, we're going to first click on cell A1, then we're going to click on the Insert tab, and you're going to click on Pivot Table. Here in this box, you need to make sure that your entire data set is selected. And in this box, you need to choose where you want to place the pivot table. I recommend keeping it in the existing worksheet and specifying a cell range. When the pivot table fields box opens up on the right, you will see your three column names here. So we want to create our cross tabulation using the quality rating and the meal price variable. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag quality rating and place it on rows. We can already see our pivot table forming. Next, we're going to drag meal price and place it on columns. And we're going to drag diner and place it under values. Under values, you will see that it shows you a sum of diner, which is not what we need. We need just the count. So how many diners had this quality rating and the meal price was this much. So we're going to change that by clicking right here and selecting count. You can close the pivot table fields and continue your work on the pivot table itself. So our row labels, which are our quality ratings, they seem fine, but the meal price, which is this entire row here, still needs to be fixed. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on cell E4, right click and select group. Here the smallest value is 10 and the highest value is 48. We're going to use this information and create our classes. So we're going to keep the starting value at 10. We're going to end at 49. And let's use the class width as 10. So here we have our quality ratings. Let's go ahead and change this title. And let's format. We're doing middle align. Next, let's move this scale around a bit. Let's place excellent below good. So click on excellent, right click, select move excellent to end. Okay. Let's create our grid lines. Okay. So here what we have done is we've created a cross tabulation using quality rating and meal price. So this information tells us that 42 diners had a quality rating of good and the meal price was between 10 to 19. Similarly, here we can see that there were 2 diners with quality rating of excellent with meal prices between 10 and 19. And the total number of diners in this data set is 300.